What's up, guys? Welcome to another video tutorial on Palitos technology. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I'm flipping my $50 into $200. If you're new to this channel, please do subscribe, smash the like button, and follow up to the end. All right, let's just do the breakdown on why I took the trade, what my confluences was, and what my expectation was on the market, and probably what went wrong, or does greediness comes in, and how do you control it, and the importance of using stop losses and take profits. So all this I'm going to be sharing during the journey of this flipping of accounts. So on the screen you would see yesterday we lost about $18 at first during the market. If you are familiar with trading, and you see we are on a consolidating period on GDP USD. So at the support we have a long weak rejection, which can also be a trap, and I feel that was the trap that most of us were into. So I took this trade earlier in the morning. That was yesterday morning, which is Wednesday. I took it by 12, no, by 11:30. That's Nigeria time. So the market kept on consolidating, and I was having a bad feeling of opting out. But once you analyze and you have your targets, you just gonna trust your analysis no matter what happens, except it shows you a reason to opt out. That was not enough reason because of the consolidation. Market does that before it shoots up. Then the market shoots up to a certain place. I think then I was on, was it now $25 plus, but I didn't close my position. Then I slept, and then me waking up, I was just on red. Do you understand? So by morning around 6-7, I was already losing $18 because I opened two positions. And this is the disadvantage of using higher leverage on our higher lot size on a smaller account. It can also help you, but it can mostly be against you. You understand? So we lost about $18, and then we closed the trade. We wait for other opportunities on still the GPU USD. We were able to flip our $31 into $55. Yeah, we did it. But the funny thing is, something else happened. This is something that with time you get to learn. I purposely want to show you the current balance of our $50 account. We currently have $16. Can you clap for me? Flipping goes wrong, but we ignored the managing system, risks to reward. We didn't follow any of that. We are just wanting to flip the account, and then news and all that affected our trade, which would happen. You mostly have losses in your trade, and just learn from your losses, and then so this is all I have for you for this video, and on our next video we'll see what we can do with the $16, where we can bring it. Then we'll use a proper risk management system, and then we'll use proper risk to reward ratio for the account. So this is what I saw, and moreover we took other trades on my other accounts, and yeah, those are the results. You can see we made a lot of profit yesterday also, and then we made a lot of loss yesterday too. So This is what trading is all about. So if you're new to this channel, please do click on the subscribe button, smash the like icon, share this video, and then joining me with our next trade on the $50 challenge.